Okay, so now let's install the user picture field module so we can replace our default user picture with this user image field that we just created. So this is the user picture field page for the project. Here's the information that you need to install the module, and we're going to use Drush here. So I'm going to do Drush DL user picture field with underscore separating the different words, and then Drush EN user picture field. I'll hit Y, and we should have it enabled. So I'm going to jump back to our site and go to the modules page to verify that it got enabled. I'm going to filter for picture, and here we have user picture field enabled. Okay, great. So now I'm going to upload an image to my image field associated with my account so I can tell when the default user image is being used and when the new image field image is being used. So I'm going to click Hello Admin, and you see that we have both images displayed. We have our default image here and also our avatar image. I'm going to click Edit, and I'm going to scroll down, and for the user image, I'm going to upload Betty Davis's image. And I'll click Save. I'm going to exit out of the overlay here. Now you see we have our original corn, and then we have Betty's image here. So now ideally, we should be seeing Betty's image here instead of the corn because this is one instance where our default image is being displayed. So it's not yet, which means we haven't completed configuration. To do that, we're going to go to Configuration, People, and User Picture Field. So this might look a little bit awkward. We need to input the machine name of the source entity. Now we can choose between user or profile 2. It's clear we're just using user so far because we haven't installed profile 2, so we'll leave that as is. And then next we have the machine name of the source field that's used as the user picture. And field user avatar is selected here by default. Now to get the machine name of the field that we're going to use for this, we have to go back to our field configuration for our user. So I'm going to go to Configuration, People, Account Settings, and Manage Fields again. And here's our machine name column. And for user image, we have field user image. So I'm going to copy that, and then we'll go back to Configuration, People, User Picture Field, and we'll paste it in here. So we now have field user image, and I'll click Save Configuration. So we're still not seeing our new image displaying for our avatar. Let's see what happens when we re-upload our image. Perhaps it will reset that. So I'm going to go to my account and edit and scroll down, and I'm going to re-upload this Betty Davis image. So I'll remove the original one, and then I'll choose Betty Davis again. We'll click Upload, and you see here's our preview. This is the medium image style that we're viewing. And this is one advantage of using the image field. We actually get this preview so the user can see it before they commit to it. We can't do that with the default user image. So now I'll scroll down and click Save, and I'll exit out of the overlay. And now you see our avatar has been replaced. So the trick is that when we install the user picture field module, after that point, any images that get uploaded will then get transferred over to the user's avatar. But unless the user uploads the new image, then their old avatar will be used. So this means that if you decide to go this route with configuring a site, that you should both create the image field and enable the user picture field module at the same time.